Welcome children to the another chapter, that is chapter number 3, synthetic fiber and plastic. The clothes which we wear are made up of fabric. Fabric are made up of natural or artificial fiber. Okay, so the fiber are of two type. One is a natural fiber and second one is a artificial, that is called man-made or synthetic fiber. Natural fiber are the fiber which we get from the nature, just like plant or animal. But synthetic fibers are the artificial fiber, and artificial things are always man-made thing. And these synthetic fiber are also used for so many household objects. So our chapter we will discuss synthetic fiber and plastics. So let us see that fiber that are made by human being are called synthetic fiber. Try to recall the uniform pattern found in necklace or of beds joined with the help of thread. Similarly, a synthetic fiber is also a chain of small units joined together. Each small unit is actually a chemical substance. Many such small units combined to form a large single unit called polymer. Most synthetic fibers are obtained from coal, petroleum, and natural gas. If you can see, the necklace is made up by the beads, and you will see I have made a green, red dot, and each dot is a single unit. If you remember, each small unit is actually a chemical substance. So each small unit, this red or green dot, it is a single unit which is actually a chemical substance, and many such single unit combine together and form a single unit, and that is called polymer. I hope you will get it. I will explain you once again. If you see that each small unit, if you see this red or green dot, this is a small unit just like in your mother necklace. These single unit actually a chemical substance. Okay, and many such small unit, ये सब सारी units आपस में मिलके जब इनको सबको आपस में ज्वाइन कर दिया जाता है, then these unit combine together form a single unit, and these single unit, all these combine together and form a single unit, and this single unit is called polymer. Now we are moving to the another section, that is a type of synthetic fiber. In this topic we have to discuss the four type of synthetic fiber, that is rayon, nylon, polyester and acrylic. So now the first is rayon. You have read in class 7 the silk fiber obtained from the silkworm was discovered in China. Okay, actually the problem is that the silk is very costly and everyone cannot afford that. That's why the scientists had discovered a rayon. So rayon, or also called artificial silk, it is prepared from the cellulose which come from the wood pulp. It is also extracted from the plant product, but it is made up by the man. That's why it is a synthetic fiber. Yet it is man-made fiber. It is cheaper than silk and can be woven like silk fiber. It can also be dyed in a wide variety of colors. So let us see what are the properties of rayon. It is absorb sweat, so we can also use them in summer. It is shiny and lustrous and resemble silk in appearance. So it is just like a silk, but silk is very costly, but rayon is affordable. Where we can use that rayon? For making shirt, tie, bed sheet, curtains, etc. Now we are moving to the next part, that is a nylon. So what are nylon? Nylon was the first true synthetic fiber. It was first produced in the early 1930 by the scientists at the DuPont company from coal, water and air. That is also a artificial fiber. Let's see what are the properties of that nylon. It is elastic and does not lose strength even after repeated use. It is lustrous and easy to wash. Lustrous means shiny in nature. Where we can use it? Making sari, socks, stockings, tent, umbrellas and parachute. So today we have discussed the fibers are of two types, natural fiber and man-made fiber or the synthetic fiber, and how they are formed. Thank you. And here is a small worksheet related to the today's topic, so please solve it out in your notebook.